Hi, hello, welcome to Vidyapeedam. This is Nitya, and in this video, the topics to be covered, the MCQs on natural vegetation and climate. The today's motivational quote is: the pessimist sees difficulties in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty, by Winston Churchill. The pessimist means the negative attitude or negative thinker. He sees the difficulty in every opportunity, but the optimist, he is a positive thinker. He sees opportunity in every difficulty. So we must be a optimist. So this is the motivational quote for today. So let us start today's section. The first question: what is the rank of India, the world, in respect of plant diversity? Option 1 10th, option 2 12th, option 3 5th, and option 4 is 6th. So India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity country of the world. They are group of countries that have the majority of earth species and therefore considered as a extremely biodiverse. Being in vast country, India having 47,000 plant species, out of 15,000 are flowering plants. That is 6% in the world, and occupies 10th position on the worldwide and 4th in Asia. So 10th in the world. So what is the rank of India in the world in respect of plant diversity? That is it occupies the 10th position in the worldwide. Option 1 is the correct answer. The next one: the natural or virgin vegetation means the plant community which has grown naturally without any human intervention for a long time, which is called dash. Option 1 desert vegetation, option 2 endemic vegetation, option 3 natural vegetation, and option 4 is virgin vegetation. The natural or virgin vegetation means the plant community which has grown naturally without any human intervention for a long time. That is, the natural vegetation which are left undisturbed over a long time period are called virgin vegetation. So option 4 is the correct answer. It is called the virgin vegetation. The next question: flora refers to as option 1 species of plants, option 2 species of animals, option 3 or both 1 and 2, option 4 is none of the above. And the flora refers to species of plants, and fauna is related to species of animals. Okay, so flora refers to as species of plants. Option 1 is the correct answer. The next one: why is the difference in the duration of sunlight at different places? Option 1 due to difference in altitude, due to difference in climate, option 3 due to difference in longitude, option 4 due to difference in latitude. So the difference in the duration of sunlight at different places. Okay, option 3 due to difference in longitude. That's why the difference in the duration of sunlight at different places. Option 3 is the correct answer. The next one: land is among the most important natural resource. It covers only dash percentage of the total area of Earth's surface. Option 1 40, option 2 50, option 3 70, and option 4 is 30. So land is among the most important natural resource, and it covers only 30% of the total area of Earth's surface. Option 4 is the correct answer. The next one, which of the following forests that are found in the Western Ghats hills of the northeastern region and the Andaman Nicobar Islands? So, which of the following forests that are found in the Western Ghats hills of the northeastern region and the Andaman Nicobar Islands? So the correct answer is tropical evergreen forest are found in the Western Ghats, hills of northeastern region and the Andaman Nicobar Islands. So tropical evergreen forest. And what do you mean by a tropical deciduous forest? And this deciduous forest covers 64% of the fertile forested area of the country, and it is the most abundant variety of forest in India. They are also called monsoon forest, and it is also spread over the region, received rainfall between 200 to 70 centimeter. Trees of this forest type shed their leaves about 6 to 8 weeks in summer. And the tendu tree do not belong to the tropical deciduous forest. Option 1 is the correct answer. Tendu. Next one, which of these states do not have more than 75% of area under the forest cover? Option A, southern part of Bihar, now in Jharkhand. Patkai mountain range system, Mizoram hill area. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Which of these states do not have more than 75% area under the forest cover? So the southern part of Bihar, that is the now in Jharkhand, it do not have more than 75% area under the forest cover. Next one, to which of the following type of vegetation rubber belong to? Option 1, tundra. Option 2, tidal. Option 3, Himalayan. Option 4, tropical evergreen. So tropical evergreen type of vegetation rubber belong to. Okay, tropical evergreen. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next question. Cinchona tree are found in the area of rainfall more than option 1 100 cm, option 2 200 cm, option 3 50 cm, option 4 is 70 cm. So cinchona trees are found in the area of rainfall more than 100 cm. The next question, in which of the following state is the Simlipal Bioreserve located? Option 1, Punjab. Option 2, Odisha. Option 3, Delhi. Option 4 is West Bengal. So Simlipal Bioreserve located in Odisha. Option 2 is the correct answer. Which one of the following bioreserve of India not included in the World Network of Bioreserve? Option 1, Manas. Option 2, Nilagiri. Option 3, Gulf of Mannar. Option 4, Nanda Devi. So the Manas Bioreserve of India not included in the World Network of Bioreserve. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, what is the basis of identifying biomass on the earth? Option A, animals. Option B, plants. Option C, fish. Option D, buffalo. So the correct answer is plants. In the basis of plants identifying biomass on the earth. Option B is the correct answer. Next one, in which type of forest does Sundari tree belong? Option A, tropical evergreen forest. Option B, tropical thorn forest and scrubs. Option C, tropical deciduous forest. Option D, mangroves. So Sundari tree belongs to mangrove forest. Option D is the correct answer. Next one, name the animal which lives in swampy and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Option A, elephants. Option B, one-horned rhinoceros. Option C, nilgai. Option D, lion. So, one-horned rhinos lives in swampy and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Next one, which one of the following state does not have the tropical deciduous forest? Option A, Jharkhand. Option B, West Orissa. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Option D, Rajasthan. So the tropical deciduous forest does not have the following state is Rajasthan. Option D is the correct answer. So Rajasthan does not have a tropical deciduous forest. Next one, which one of the following types of vegetation has commercially important trees like ebony, mahogany, rosewood and rubber? Which one of the following type of vegetation has commercially important trees like ebony, mahogany, rosewood and rubber? Option A, mountain forest. Option B, tropical rain forest. Option C, tropical deciduous forest. Option D, tropical thorn forest. So the ebony, mahogany, rosewood and rubber belong to tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest vegetation belong to mahogany, rosewood and rubber. Next one, most widespread vegetation in India is option 1, coniferous forest. Option B, tropical rainforest. Option C, tropical deciduous forest. Option D, mangrove forest. So it's a tropical deciduous forest are widely spread vegetation in India. Okay, tropical deciduous forest. Next one, the regions such as southern eastern Brazil, southwestern Africa, Myanmar and Bangladesh consist of tropical monsoon forest, tropical rainforest, coniferous rainforest and temperate deciduous forest. The tropical monsoon forest consists of southern eastern Brazil, southwestern Africa, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Next one, give an example of biosphere reserve in India. Option A, Corbett Park. Option B, Kaval. Option C, Panchmari. Option D, Gindi. The Panchmari bioreserve situated in Madhya Pradesh. So the next question, the regions such as southern eastern Brazil, southeastern Africa, Myanmar and Bangladesh consist of, it's a repeated question, it is in tropical monsoon forest. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, which is not included in the group of non-flowering? Option 1, orchid. Option 2, algae. Option 3, fungi and option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is option 1, orchid. It's not included in the group of non-flowering. Algae and fungi are non-flowering plants. Next one, which type of vegetation does not belong to the category of natural vegetation? Option 1, horticulture. Option 2 is mangrove. Option 3 is forest. Option 4 is none of the above. So horticulture type of, it is not a vegetation. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, which term is used for virgin vegetation is purely Indian in origin? Is a normal, option 1 is normal species. Option 2 is endemic species. Option 3 is exotic species and option 4 is none of the above. There are two types, First one endemic species and next one exotic species. Endemic species means those plant species which is originated from the country are termed as endemic species. Exotic species means those plant species which originated outside the country are termed as exotic species. Here the question is, which term is used for vegetation is purely Indian. So it is in our country. It is originated from our country. So it is called endemic species, or option 2 is the correct answer, endemic species. It's outside the country means it's a exotic species. Here the answer is endemic species. It's a purely Indian in origin. Next one. The yak, shaggy horned wild ox and the Tibetan antelope are found in which one of the following region? Option 1 Tibet, option 2 Uttarakhand, option 3 Himachal Pradesh and option 4 is Ladakh. So the yak, shaggy horned wild ox and the Tibetan antelope are found in Ladakh. Option 4 is the correct answer. If you like this video means please like and share to your friends. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment box, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.